Delhi, but pollution load of overall length of 80%, pollution load is being contributed by this small stretch of 22 kilometers. Not only water quality and quality, they are also.
So to secure the long-lasting impact of our interventions and interventions, we are committed to maintaining ongoing engagement with our project stakeholders. Looking ahead, we will intensify these interactions through conducting more frequent engagement activities and sharing our research findings. We will organize training sessions with the stakeholders on how to use our created models to ensure the continued uptake of our collaborative innovations.
So we conceptualized this topic during my secondment at Newcastle University, suggested by our co-PI, where we try to integrate and evaluate the local water policies and plans in case of